To book one of your leads, you'll need to send them a proposal. The proposal will allow clients to choose a package, sign a contract, and make a payment if necessary. To get started, navigate to the Proposals and Contracts section of the job and click New Proposals. This will launch the proposal builder. The first step is to add a package into the proposal. You can either select one of your preset packages or create one from scratch. I'll select this package. If necessary, you can edit the package for the client. I'll just add it into the proposal as is. You can also add multiple packages to give your client a choice. Added packages appear here. When you are finished adding your packages, proceed to step 2. This is where you can configure the proposal settings. First, select the payment method. You can collect payments manually from your client, like check or cash. Or, if you have a merchant account integrated into the system, you can select the merchant and collect via credit card. When allowing the client to pay via credit card, you can further allow them the option to pay by check as well. In this example, I've selected Square as my payment method. Next, create a payment schedule. You can build a schedule from scratch or select one of your preset schedule templates. I'll select this template. Notice how it loads the schedule automatically. Third, add a discount to your invoice if necessary. Either create a new discount or select one of your preset discount templates. I'll choose this one. Clicking the View Edit button allows you to see the discounts configuration. For the proposal settings, you can set up tax templates under the Settings tab. You can then easily select a tax when booking a job like this. Finally, if you want your proposal to expire within a certain amount of time, set an expiration date. The client will no longer be able to access the proposal after the expiration. You can also have the proposal never expire. Then, move on to the team settings. This is where you can assign personnel to the job. You can always edit your team after the job is booked if necessary. Last but not least, select a contract for your client to sign. If the contract has variables that are not populated, you can edit your template. Click Next Email Proposal. Once the proposal is configured, you can then email it to your client. I'll select one of my email templates. A system-generated link will automatically be added to the bottom of this email. The client will then click on the link to access the booking site and fill out the proposal. The proposal is a step-by-step process for your client. First, they will see a welcome screen. On the next page, they will choose a package. Then, the client will be able to add additional items into their package if the package contains add-ons. Next, they can review their package and payment schedule. They can then update or fill in their details relating to their event. Finally, they can view and sign the contract. The system will record the IP address of their computer and the time and date that they signed. If the client is required to make a payment at booking time, they will see payment instructions after signing the contract. They can then proceed to the client site, where they can view all invoices, job details, contracts, and communications. Immediately after the client signs the contract, the studio will be notified. You can countersign the contract under this section of the job. Notice the status of both the proposal and the contract. Proposals that have not yet been accepted can always be edited, archived, or resent to the client in this area. Archiving a proposal is comparable to canceling it. The studio can view the contract and countersign it. When the contract is signed by both parties, the job is officially booked. And that's the basic process of building a proposal and booking a client.